Hello and welcome to WordPress Insights with Sophy. WordPress Insights is a series of videos that contain essential tips that we hope will make the experience of editing your website an easy one. Before we get started, please give this video a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get informed when our next tip is live. Comment down below if you have any questions about our topic today, or if you need your question about WordPress answering. In this video, we're going to look at the new Google Analytics GA4 properties. GA4 is the replacement product of existing Universal Analytics properties. Before I get started, it's essential that you get your website switched over to GA4 now, as Universal Analytics will stop collecting data on the 1st of July 2023. If you currently use Universal Analytics, you may see a warning at the top of your page. It's very easy to switch to GA4 if you have a Universal account. Google provides walkthrough instructions on how to do this. However, if you would like help in switching across to the new platform, please get in touch. This video is going to cover some basic, important areas on GA4 properties. We can provide further support if you'd like to learn more, however, we'll just touch on some useful parts today. I'll just note here that my view may look slightly different to yours, depending on how your property was set up and if any custom views have been created. Mine is in the default view mode. Firstly, we're going to click on Reports on the left-hand side. This will get us into the area that shows us all the data our website is collecting. We can change the date at the top right corner to cover a shorter or longer period of time. I'll just leave mine at the default of 28 days. The first box we can see shows us various bits of information from analytics. This includes the number of users who have visited your website, of those visitors, how many were new, and the average time spent on your website. This information gives us a rough idea of our website performance. The box beneath that tells us how those new users first came to your website. Direct means that the visitor knew the URL or domain of our website and typed that into Google. Organic search means our website appeared in search results from a query such as websites in Warrington. Referral means that our website link is on a different website and was clicked on there. And finally, organic social means that some users clicked on a link on our social media posts that we haven't applied paid promotion to. This information can be useful in determining how successful social media campaigns are, or perhaps how our site is performing in organic search results. If we scroll down slightly and look to the right, we can see which pages are the most popular on our website. This information could tell us whether a page we're trying to push out online is doing well, or if a page is getting a lot of traction but no clicks. We could look at improving the content or layout to achieve conversions. We're now going to take a look at engagement. So let's look to the left-hand side and click on Engagement. In the engagement window, we can again see the average engagement time. The engaged sessions per user is a calculation of the total sessions per user by the total user count. The higher this statistic is, the more engaged users your website has. The average engagement time per user is another calculation based on individual sessions and the time spent on your website. Scrolling down, we can see a table called Event Count by Event Name. Each of these items are quite self-explanatory, but with GA4 we can really see how a visitor is interacting with our website. We can see if they scroll or click on something, and we can even see if they play videos embedded on our website. Next, let's click on Pages and Screens on the left-hand side underneath the engagement heading. I'd like us to scroll down to this table that shows our most popular pages. This section provides data for those specific pages, which is great for telling us how successful or popular a page is. Now let's jump to the Demographics overview on the left-hand side under Demographics. You will have to enable this on your account manually before it will start collecting data. If you're unsure about how to do this, please let us know. Some interesting parts on this section are the gender and age ranges. Note that with data protection changes, Google has changed the way it collects data, and some of the data represented under demographics can be limited or inaccurate. Finally, we'll have a look at the text section. In here, we can see which device a visitor is using, which is split into desktop, mobile and tablet. You can even see which browser your visitors use to access your website and what their screen resolutions are. This is very helpful to make sure your website works on the browser and size of device your visitors are using. If you have low engagement, it could explain why. This is a basic overview, but there is a lot more data to look at that could be useful in improving your website for your visitors or deciding what to promote on your social media. GA4 properties offer a more detailed look into the data your website gathers and how your visitors interact with your website. We can provide further advice and support on Google Analytics and moving across to the new platform, so please don't hesitate to get in touch. We hope this video has helped you with your WordPress website. Please give this video a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. For further information, or to get the most out of your WordPress website, please get in touch with us via our website, beechwebservices.co.uk, by phone 01925 387 040, or by email info@beechwebservices.co.uk. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.